Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a fantastic Irish crochet leaf with branches. So let's see. Start the slip knot and chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Skip first 2 chains, insert your hook in third chain, and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through first loop. Go under, go left, and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Go under, go left, and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Please crochet 11 times. Go under, go left, and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. 7 times. 8, 9, 10, and the last time. You'll have 13 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Chain 1. Skip 1 chain. Make a slip stitch in next chain. Chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now connect the chains to the other side of the branch. Insert your hook in this loop. And back loop of this chain and pull through this loop. Make 12 single crochets in this space. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now crochet chain 3, 1, 2, 3 chains, and make a pocket. Make 12 single crochets. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Insert your hook in first single crochet and insert your hook in second chain and pull through all loops. Make 4 slip stitches in next 4 chains. 1, make a slip stitch, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Skip 2 chains and insert your hook, insert chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 1, and skip 1 chain and make a slip stitch in next chain. Chain 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now connect the chains to the other side of the branch. Insert your hook in these 2 loops and pull through. Make 12 single crochets in this space. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Chain 3 and make a packet. Make 12 single crochets again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Insert your hook in first single crochet and second chain, then pull through. Make 4 slip stitches in next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Please crochet the leaves on the right side of the branch. Then crochet the leaf at the tip of the branch. Then crochet the leaves on the left side of the branch. I crochet the leaves on the right side of the branch. Now crochet at the tip of the branch with chain 15. Okay, crochet chain 15. Skip first 2 chains, insert your hook, insert chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Go under, go left and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Keep going. I crocheted the leaf at the tip of the branch. Now make a slip stitch until you reach the next leaf. Make a slip stitch until you reach the next leaf. To crochet the other side of the branch. Make a slab stitch, make a slab stitch, make a slab stitch, and the last time make a slab stitch in same chain. Chain 15 to crochet the other side of the branch. Okay, keep going. I crochet the first leaf on the other side, then make a slab stitch until you reach the next leaf. Make a slab stitch, make a slab stitch, make a slab stitch until you reach the next leaf. To crochet on the other side of the branch, make a slab stitch. Okay, make a slab stitch, make a slab stitch, and make a slab stitch the last time. Chain 15 and crochet the leaf. I crocheted my last leaf, then make a slab stitch until the end of the branch. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for the visit. Every like and comment inspires us to create more, so don't forget to like, share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel. We truly appreciate you. We hope you loved this video. I'll be back very soon with more educational videos. I'll be in touch.